round 2 of Flax Seed. This time I have the instructions with me. Recipe. But I think I'm just gonna go with what I want to do. Just feel it out instead. And I'm also switching it up. I'm doing almond milk instead of oat. And ground up flax seeds instead of full. Actually, I should have left this up. Let's go. And I grabbed all the measuring beforehand. Okay. Let's start with flax seed. But you can't even see anything. Let's all move. Let's move over, y'all. So 1 cup felt really excessive, and yeah. So flatten it. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon to this fucking hair in it. Okay. 1. And then I'm gonna do half a cup of this. And I'm gonna do like this, put it in 1 cup, and then do like another and do another cup. So I feel like that would just work way better. This is heavy. Nailed it. Okay. Also, I'm halving the milk and the flaxseed, but I'm not halving the vanilla abstract or the maple syrup. Oh well. Or do I want to do it on the syrup side? This. Stir. No full maple syrup because I finished the last one. I don't know why I didn't think there wouldn't be one of these. Was not completely prepared. My bad. Oh, that smells so good. Way different. Because when it's in like the full seed form, it absorbs it, right? So like, how does this really... Looks good. Put that off to the side. Round two. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons this time. And then still just half a cup. Okay. Do I want to add like... No. I was going to say, should I add full flax seeds? Like just a few. But there we go. I'm just wrap them and see you tomorrow for the result. It's time to see how the ones where I didn't follow the recipe turned out. Very not good, I can tell. Because it's literally, I wrote a 2 on this one. So I know that this one has 2 tablespoons. Let's see. I need. This would be so good if it was thicker. One with 2 teaspoons. I wonder if I can add more and then just put it back in the fridge again for another night. Or if that'd be bad because it wouldn't like soak this in. That's why you follow recipes. But it just felt very excessive last time. I should have done like half a cup instead of like a full cup instead of just tablespoons. Like, that was dumb on my end. But oh well. Still gonna drink this. I have an idea. What if I put it in the freezer? I'm gonna do it with the one that has 1 tablespoon of the flax seeds in it. I'm gonna do it. See y'all later.